Welcome in everybody, my name is Sean Canizzo, your product specialist for Team Wendy, and today on our Headstrong Knowledge Vault video, we're going to talk about changing out your retention system to a Team Wendy Cam Fit retention system in your EXFIL and SL helmet systems. Alright guys, to get in the weeds to change this retention system out, the first thing we need to do is take out the pads. If you look inside the helmet, the retention system or shin strap connects down here to the inside of the helmet. What you'll want to do is just start to peel this back that's connected to the chin strap and start removing it one side at a time. Get the sides done, and then we're going to move to the back. As you can see, this is where that's going to link up on the inside of the helmet, and the chin strap will come out by peeling it to the side. And now our retention system is out. To put it back in, we're simply going to match the shapes on the chin strap and retention system to the shapes on the inside of the helmet. What I like to keep in mind is the boa is going to sit to the back of your head. The best way to get this in nice and easy is to have the boa facing out as it would sit on your head. Fold the Velcro in half. You'll find this center mark in the center of the helmet. Top of the Velcro to the bottom edge of the edge band, and then move it over and secure it. Do that to the other side of the back of the helmet. Get our chin strap out of the way, and as you can see, the shape fits inside here, just like the shape on the inside of the helmet. Same thing here, we're going to match the shape. And now our retention system is in. As this Team Wendy EXFIL Ballistic sits, it is in the right eye dominant configuration. If you would like to change it out to a left eye dominant configuration, it is the same process as switching out the retention system as a whole.